Technology and Livelihood Education, Family and Consumer Science for Grade 8. Quarter 3 Week 2 Part 2. Our topic is Tools, Implements, Materials, and Equipment for Nail Care, Skin Care and Hair Care and its proper use and maintenance. The following are the objectives of this lesson. Review of the previous lesson. Analyze the following scenario. Liza is a newly hired hairstylist at a popular beauty salon. Her supervisor, Carlo, often checked on her work, which was normal, but he began making comments like, "You'd get better work schedules if you go out with me," and would sometimes touch her shoulder or back even when it wasn't necessary. Liza felt uncomfortable and tried to avoid him, but the behavior continued. One afternoon, Carlo cornered her near the storage area and said, "If you want to stay on my good side, you should learn to be more friendly," while giving her a suggestive look. Feeling threatened, Liza immediately left the area and reported the incident to the salon's HR officer. What law applies to the situation described in the scenario? In this scenario, why is Carlo's behavior toward Liza considered sexual harassment under RA 7877, and what makes Liza's response appropriate? Explanation. Carlo's behavior is considered work-related sexual harassment under RA 7877. Because he used his authority and influence as a supervisor to pressure Liza into giving sexual favors in exchange for better schedules and treatment. His unwanted touching and suggestive comments created a hostile and unsafe work environment. By reporting the incident, Liza followed the appropriate action to protect herself and ensure that proper investigation and disciplinary measures could be taken. The following are the content area vocabulary. The following are the content area vocabulary for this lesson. Beauty care materials. Items that are used up and need to be replaced often. Examples: alcohol and sanitizer for manicure, pedicure, and spa services. Beauty care tools. Durable, handheld items used to perform beauty services. Examples: cuticle pusher, nipper, nail cutter, and nail brush. Beauty care equipment, larger devices or machines used for different beauty treatments. Examples: hair spa steamer, foot spa machine, hand spa machine, and sterilizer. Our topic is Tools, Implements, Materials, and Equipment for Nail Care, Skin Care, and Hair Care. In the beauty care and wellness industry, having the right tools, implements, materials, and equipment is essential for providing safe, effective, and professional services. These items not only help beauticians perform their tasks efficiently but also ensure the comfort and safety of clients. Understanding the proper use, maintenance, and safety of these items is fundamental for beauty care professionals to deliver high-quality services while protecting themselves and their clients from potential hazards. Finger bowls are specifically designed for soaking the nails in warm water with liquid or moisturizing soak. These can be made from plastic, metal, or glass and should be properly cleaned after each use. If you can't find a finger bowl, just a bowl deep enough to soak your nails. Hand spa machine. Hand spa machine is filled with warm water and hand soap or liquid hand spa mixtures, where hands are soaked before massage and actual nail cleaning services is done. Foot spa machine. The foot spa machine is filled with warm water and liquid soap or pedicure salts to soak your feet, which is the best thing after a long day. You can either purchase a foot spa which can come with different features that can massage your feet and keep the water warm, or for a cheaper idea, use a bucket that is large enough to completely cover your feet with water. Manicurist table and chair. Manicurist table set is a working table where all the nail care implements and supplies and nail care services are placed. Low stool for pedicure. Low stool is used by manicurists when giving pedicure services. Nail implement sterilizer. is where nail care implements are sanitized. Nail dryer machine, where nails are dried after the application of nail polish. Nail enamel tray, it is where nail polishes and nail care supplies are placed in an organized manner. Nail implements are the handheld tools used to perform nail care services. They are usually durable, reusable, and essential for shaping, cleaning, and treating nails. Foot file, are used to exfoliate dry skin or smooth calluses of the feet. Nail brush, can be used to clean fingernails with warm soapy water when preparing your hands for a manicure and remove dust when filing. Nail cleaner, allows users to remove debris under the nails prior to scrubbing, thus significantly boosting overall hand cleanliness. Nail buffer. This implement comes in varied types and grits ranging from less than 180 to over 240. A good rule to follow with this is the lower the grit, the more abrasive the file. Nail file is a tool used to gently grind down and shape the edges of nails when giving manicures and pedicures, after the nail has been trimmed using appropriate nail clippers. Nail cutter or nail clippers are used for shortening the length of your nails. Nippers are used to remove dead tags of skin and should not be used to cut, trip or tear living tissue. This could cause an infection. These can also be handy when using striping tape to trim it lengthwise. Nail pusher. The spoon end of a metal pusher is used to push back the cuticle of the nail, and the spade end is used to remove the dead tissue from the nail plate. Be careful when doing this, because you may damage the nail plate by scraping the surface of the nail too hard. Nail sprayer is used as a container either of cuticle remover or quick dry oil for easy spraying.
This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.